Good morning, friends. Today is again a new book day. And today, we're going deep into a book that doesn't just talk about money, it talks about freedom, choice, and living life on your own terms. A book that turns financial lessons into stories, habits, and actionable steps. That book is Make Epic Money by Ankur Warikoo. Before we start, let me ask you, what does money mean to you? Safety? Freedom? Fun? Or maybe stress? Take a moment to really think, because your answer today matters more than you think. This video might feel long, but that's only because it's full of powerful lessons I want you to know. So, grab a notebook, maybe a cup of tea, and let's dive in. Money is a story, not just numbers. Money is not just digits on a screen or notes in your wallet. Money is energy. It's trust. It's freedom. And most importantly, money is a tool. Think about it, centuries ago, people used salt, grain, shells, or even cattle as money. Then came gold and silver. Today, it's mostly numbers in bank apps. But the meaning of money has always been the same: exchange, trust, and value. So, let me ask you again, do you control your money, or does your money control you? Most of us grow up hearing two extreme ideas. Money is bad, don't talk about it. Money is everything, chase it at all costs. Here's the truth Warikoo shares: money is neither a god nor a devil. It's a tool. And like any tool, it depends on how you use it. Think of a hammer. You can use it to build a home, or to break a wall. The hammer is neutral. Money is the same. Another thing is fear, desire, and freedom. Let's start with fear. How many of you have worried, will I have enough? What if I lose my job? What if something unexpected happens? That fear is real. And Warikoo says the solution isn't more money, it's clarity. Ask yourself, do you know where every rupee you spent last month went? Could you write it down? Many of us can't. And that's the problem. Then comes desire. Ads, social media, friends, everywhere, they scream, buy, upgrade, consume. There's nothing wrong with wanting things. But if you're always chasing, you'll never feel enough. Here's a small exercise. Think about one thing you wanted badly 2 years ago. A phone? A trip? A game? Are you still as excited about it? Probably not. Desires fade. Warikoo says, spend where it creates lasting value. Experiences, learning, and health grow inside you. Shiny objects? They fade. Ask yourself, are you buying things, or are you buying joy? Freedom is next. Money, when used wisely, buys freedom. Freedom to choose work you love, freedom to take care of family, freedom to say no to things that don't align with you. But freedom doesn't happen by accident, it's designed. Save before spending. Invest consistently. Start small. Start today. Now let's talk about real-life stories from Warikoo. Let me tell you a story from the book. Warikoo met a young professional earning a lot but ending each month with nothing. Every rupee coming in went out immediately, bigger salary, bigger car, bigger bills. Compare that to someone earning half, but saving and investing wisely. 10 years later? The saver is richer. Lesson: it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. We all make mistakes. Spending impulsively, investing without understanding, borrowing because of FOMO. The key is not to fear mistakes, but to learn fast and recover faster. Money is emotional. Seeing your bank balance go up makes you happy. Going down brings stress. Buying for loved ones brings pride. Can't buy something? Guilt. Master your relationship with money, and you master your peace of mind. What about you? Do you sometimes feel scared to invest? Write your answer in the comments if you're comfortable. Let's talk about habits that build wealth. Money habits matter. Track them. Plan them. Protect them. And earning habits matter too. Money grows faster when your skills, mindset, and actions grow alongside it. Warikoo emphasizes clarity. Know what you earn, spend, save, and invest. Set goals. Prioritize experiences and learning. Avoid lifestyle inflation, the trap where bigger income leads to bigger spending, but no savings. Debt is another lesson. Borrowing can be helpful, like a home loan, but unnecessary debt, like impulsive credit card spending, destroys freedom. Ask yourself, is this debt helping me grow or holding me back? Small daily habits create massive long-term impact. Track your expenses daily. Save 20%, or whatever you can, of income first. Invest consistently, even in small amounts. Avoid buying things just because everyone else has them. What is investing? Investing might seem scary. Warikoo says, just start. Even small, safe steps matter. Money grows quietly while you live your life, that's compounding. Plant a seed, water it, watch it grow. Here's a story. Early in his career, Warikoo faced uncertainty. No savings, no safety net. He learned fast. Prioritized clarity. cut unnecessary spending, invested in learning. Years later, that approach gave him freedom and confidence. Does mindset matters? Mindset is everything. Avoid envy, avoid comparison. Social media can trick us into thinking we're behind. Focus on your own growth. Do you feel like money slips away faster than it comes in? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Warikoo encourages multiple income streams, freelancing, content creation, small businesses, but always with learning and experimentation. Now many must be thinking, what are practical steps? Some key steps: automate savings and investments, avoid impulsive purchases, learn basics, budgeting, compound interest, investing principles, seek mentors or credible advice. Start with small habits today. Track expenses for 1 week. Save a little. Invest a little. Small steps today shape your future. You should do a long-term thinking. A young professional ignored financial planning, thinking, "I'll figure it out later." Years passed. Mistakes compounded. Stress grew. Contrast that with someone who tracked, saved, learned, invested. Their life feels peaceful, confident, and full of options. Money is a tool, not the goal. The goal is freedom, joy, and choice. Your habits decide whether money works for you or against you. Let's make this interactive. Have you ever bought something and regretted it immediately? Write in comments, have you tried saving or investing, but failed? Share your story. What's the one money habit you wish you had started earlier? Real stories matter. Imagine two friends, one spends every rupee on trends, the other saves 10% every month and invests wisely. 10 years later, the first has flashy things but no security, the second has stability, options, and freedom. Warikoo also shares, small investments, even 1,000 rupees per month, can grow into significant wealth over time. It's about consistency, not size. Friends, the big takeaway: money is a tool, not the goal. The goal is a life of freedom, joy, and choice. Start small, think long-term, and focus on habits. Track, save, invest, learn, and grow. This video might feel long, but it's long because it's full of powerful lessons I want you to know. I hope one lesson today inspires you to take action. Even if it's just tracking your expenses for 1 week, that's a start. I'm Akaksh, and you're watching Book Huggers. New videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 5 p.m. Till then, keep hugging books. Bye.